Hey everyone, it's TrainGuy1969. Welcome back to my channel. It's November 11th, 2021, and today we celebrate Remembrance Day. Here in Canada, this is the day where we honor those who have fought and died for our country, both in the past and who are currently serving our country today. So I've set up this special Remembrance Day train featuring my Canada Remembers F9 A&B unit. These are part of the Hawthorne collection, and these are both Bachmann products. They are DC. And if you take a look at the A unit, you'll see that it does say Canada Remembers, we stand on guard, and it has scenes that are depictions of events from World War II, as does the B unit. Now, I had featured these locomotives in a different video, and there are a couple of passenger cars that come with these locomotives, but I thought for today I'd feature them with a lash up of military transports featuring a variety of different military vehicles. Now, I did do a military vehicle film, I guess it was last November, and I only had a few military vehicles. I've managed to collect a whole lot more in the last year, so we'll be featuring those today. So we're going to get it up and running, and we'll slowly have them go by so you can take a close look at the train and all of the different vehicles. So here we go. So this locomotive seems to be handling it quite well. I was happy to be able to get a number of different models over the last year. A lot of them I was able to get off of eBay. Had to do a little bit of work with them, but I think they all look quite good. Again, we want to remember and thank all of our military service people, and for the sacrifices they've made, we're forever grateful. We wish everyone a happy Remembrance Day.